We're in the side yard right now. This is where two of my boys, they split wood.
Showed them.
And as you can see, it's middle of the day and it gets really hot. So we're gonna put a shade sail right here. So our shade sail is 8 foot by 12 foot. On each of the ends, it's got a little D-ring attachment. Got some chain from Lowe's. Now, we're gonna attach one of these carabiners to the D-ring and then also to this chain. So we need 2 per corner. For the house attachment, we got these hitching rings. Okay, so I've got my link here. It's open all the way. So how it's gonna go is this will be attached to the house. Then we'll have this link, and then it'll attach to this chain. And then the other side will connect to another ring or link, and it'll attach to this square D-ring. So, pretty simple setup. I take this chain, double it up here, find the center, and then we're gonna cut this link right here. Okay, so I've got my O-ring here. There's 4 places for screws to go in. This distance though is wider than a 2x4. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in at an angle like that on all of them. So when this one is in, I'll have it like this. That way it's pinched in there and my holding power is going to be way more. I think what we're going to do now is we're going to build some new wood stands over on this side of the fence and relocate all this over here. That way my boys have a shady spot to split the wood.